All right, so once you go to Google, find your logo that you want to make. Nike, Adidas, New Balance, Essentials, Puma, whatever you want to make. I just chose Adidas for this video. So I got my logo already downloaded to my computer. So now what I'm going to do is go to Cricut, and over here in this corner we're going to hit new project, right? So we're going to click upload. And y'all excuse all this stuff. I have a bunch of stuff in here. We're gonna click upload image. Gonna click browse. And let's see where it is. It's right here at the top. Just click open. And since I downloaded this as a PNG, the background was already taken out. So since it's like a real simple logo, not too detailed, we're just gonna click simple right here and continue. And as you can see, it's already transparent. So we're just gonna click continue, upload, and then there we go. Add to canvas. We have it uploaded, and now I'm gonna resize it. So I don't want it to cover the whole hoodie, so I may do like a 8 by, maybe like an 8 by 8. I don't want the logo extremely big. So let's see. Let's see what an 8 by 8 looks like. That look good. Let's go with it. So right here where it says mirror, you want to make sure this always on when you put something on a t-shirt, so they can be facing the right way once you print out. All right, so we're gonna click continue. No device found, of course, because I don't have a machine on. All right, so let me turn my machine on. Y'all, this is just something quick because my video of the DIY Nike has been getting some traction, and I've been getting questions about that. So I'm just showing y'all how to do this again. So let's refresh it, and all right, we all set. So this button, you really don't have to have this on. It just cuts a little faster on the machine. So I'm gonna cut that on. And all right, so let's go over here to the Cricut machine. All right, I'm at my machine. I have my paper loaded. It's actually black. I know it looks navy blue, but it's actually black. You're gonna see. So I'm gonna go ahead and have it go ahead and load it. And all I did was hit this little arrow right here. And once it's loaded, this is gonna start line up. Just click it and wait on it to cut. And if you remember me clicking that little green button, it does speed up the cutting process. So I'm not sure if you notice or not. If one of y'all have a Cricut, then y'all probably know what I'm talking about. And this is the Cricut Cut Smart 2, I guess version 2. And just FYI, y'all, this is for entertainment purposes only. This is not for resale, or you can just wear this around the house, or wear this fall season, winter season. Have my own clothing brand. So this is just for fun, just for entertainment purposes. All right, so it's all cut. Let's get it out and weed it. All right, you can actually see where it's cut out at. So let me try to cut this thing without cutting it. Y'all, I'm doing all this with one hand. I swore down that I was gonna find me somebody to help me record. And I know my mat is just like this. It's dirty, and I gotta get another one. All right, so here's the cut. If y'all can actually see this, I cut the tip with it. But as I said, I'm just gonna be wearing this like around the house or whatever, so it really don't matter. So let me go ahead and weave it out. And bam, okie doke. Can't even really tell the tip cut off, so that look good, y'all. So let's go ahead and press it. right, y'all, here's the hoodie. I'm putting it on. Very good quality. Blank Night, send me a check. Send me a sponsorship check. It's a medium. Blank Nights, go ahead and send me a check because I got your hoodie in my video. I need a check. I need that bag. Go ahead and send it to me. So I'm gonna print on this. It's real good quality, y'all. Like I printed on these over and over and over. I don't even think the camera gonna do justice. Right now, I'm just checking the placement, making sure that it's even. I think we're ready to go. All right, you guys, I'm gonna let it sit on there for about 10 seconds. I just be counting down in my head. I really don't have a timer set on it, on the machine. It's a hot peel, so I'm just gonna peel it off. Whew, that looks so good. Oh my God. That looked too good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, it was for entertainment purposes only. I'm not trying to resell nobody's stuff. I don't want you to resell it. It was only for entertainment purposes only, not to resell, you know, nobody's stuff, just to be creative and, you know, like just entertain. This is YouTube, so we're going to have fun. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and come back.